In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community profile in Figma. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your Figma account and that you have a team set up, because we'll be working from the team workspace view. Once you're in Figma, look toward the upper left area of the screen where your current team name is displayed. You'll see a small arrow or caret right beside that team name. This arrow lets you access additional options related to your team and its resources. Go ahead and click on that arrow next to the team name. When you do, a drop-down or side menu will appear, showing different areas like files, projects, and resources. What we want here is the area where Figma surfaces community-related content and settings tied to your team. This is where you'll be able to start creating a presence that others in the Figma community can see and follow. Once that panel is open, look for a button or option labeled Create New. This is usually styled as a plus sign followed by the words Create New. Click on that. By selecting this option, you're telling Figma that you want to start a new community-related item, in this case, a community profile for your team or organization. As soon as you click Create New, Figma will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you for details like your community or team name, a short description that explains what you do, and possibly a profile image or logo. Take your time filling these out, because this information is what other Figma users will see when they come across your profile. When writing the description, think about what someone new should know about your work. For example, you might mention the type of design systems you share, the products you're designing for, or the kind of files you plan to publish to the community. Keep it clear and friendly, and avoid including any sensitive information or internal-only details. Figma may also show you options related to visibility and publishing. Make sure you review these settings so your community profile is discoverable in the way you intend. Once you've completed all the fields and followed each prompt, confirm or save your changes. After that, your new community profile in Figma will be created, and you'll be ready to share your files and resources with the wider Figma community.